I'm here at the Property Investor Show 2025. Yeah. I'm going to rent out some of my properties in Slough. Better get some hand sanitizer. You can never be too safe, especially around here. So here we go, into the fray. Thank you, mate.
David, you're late.
Yeah?
You're supposed to be handing these out.
Well, I'm not late.
Come on, let's go.
Get such a great quality of leads, so we keep coming back year after year.
We've actually found it really enjoying. It's gone better than we thought it would. Loads of people come and talk to us and great engagement.
Very useful seeing the experts themselves in person. It's nice to see everyone from all different walks of property all in one place.
What I've noticed from 10 years ago to now is money and capital flow over to the Middle East. There's still a lot of buzz around UK investment. We give a stable investment environment, but you are definitely seeing more capital go overseas.
One of the things that's reoccurring is that property investors today are finding that it's harder to make profit out of property deals. So they're really interested in finding strategies that are going to help them get massive capital uplift and cash flow.
There's lots of people looking to get into supported housing. Lots of people don't know how to do it. And this show is a really good way for people to learn.
I would say it's informative, lively, and lots of great value.
Busy, engaging, and bustling with people.
Quality leads, great people, lots of landlords, lots of people wanting to get into property, and I really enjoy coming.
High energy, friendly, informative. I've had a lot of fun.